Good morning. It's Thursday, July 16th. Jesse here, Supernova Design Company. Let's get this straight. There we go. All right. It is. What do we got going on today? Today I'm taking a little 2-hour indulgence to start doing a quick improvement to our dust collection system. I'm going to draw a parallel here that's pretty hilarious. I watched, what was it? Stop saying Critical Path of SpaceX. It was like a 30-minute video on those guys getting V3 first launch, and they talked about making something, just getting it done, and it works, and nobody's good at something they've never done before. Well, that was me with the exhaust system. I could have planned this big old thing and would have came out great. Maybe it would have taken a month, but instead I just put it on, set up something that was flexible, and just used the big flexi hose that came with it. So let me show you that. We're going to do that today. We're going to start working on moving that to a wall, and I bought a piece of pipe and a few fittings, and so our next step is going to be just to get it to a new location that's a better location that'll provide a single vacuum line, and then we'll start making branches off of that. I'm only going to do probably 1 or 2 branches initially, just for the table saw, because that one gets unplugged and plugged the most. And then next probably would be the big belt and disc sander. So those will probably be the only 2 things. I don't want to be spending a whole bunch of time doing that. I'm not trying to start a dust collection business. But I do get tired of tripping. So let me show you real quick just how screwed up it is. Hold on a sec. And not by screwed up, I mean just how rev zero and potentially dangerous it is. There you go. All right, so here's a pretty good example of what's going on. We have our awesome Oneida dust collector there. It works great. And then we have the big flexi hose that it came with. I think it's 25 feet. And it goes up and around that big pile because that's one less thing to trip on if it's up there. But then I think now it's attached to the black hose, which comes over to the our awesome Craigslist disc sander. And so what we're going to do today, and what I was doing before, is here's the table saw, as we would unplug it and then plug it in down there or over there to the router. So we're going to try and get this whole thing up and on its own line with a baffle, and then we're going to move that guy. We're going to scoot the whole big miter bench. We're going to scoot the whole big miter bench over, take that shelves off the wall, and put this on that wall, and then all the stuff that's stored room. This whole thing, this is what we made to store our long metal pieces. So 20-inch sticks of steel fit on there fine, and we got room to scoot that out a couple feet so we could put the Oneida over there. That's not going to take 2 hours, but it's going to get 2 hours today. Then we're going to get back on pricing. There we go. So that's going to take more than 2 hours, but that's all that's going to get today because we got to get back on pricing. We also got to do the built-in pricing. After that, let's go. All right, here we go. Take 2. I just recorded a 5-minute video and forgot to turn the mic on. Pain in the ass using this mic. I keep forgetting to turn it on. Anyway, this morning's tasks were to spend 2 hours on the dust collection and then work on pricing. What did we complete? We made a big mess in the workshop, starting to add, trying to make it so I don't trip and fall on stuff. The dust collection system currently uses just a big flexible 4-inch hose that's totally unwieldy, and I haven't actually tripped on it yet, but I'm sure I will if I don't fix this. Man, this video is terrible. I told myself today I'm just going to post this video and I'm not going to spend 20-30 minutes editing it. So here it goes again. What else we got? The bomb mostly done. I finished all the steps, went through and asked the AI to verify what I did was correct. And if there was any questions, I haven't looked at that yet. I'll probably check it out tomorrow. It's almost 11, so I've had enough. What else did we get done today? Just some more tweaks on the AI. Again, updating working principles and some more formatting MD files just to help tune it and get it to do what I would like it to do, so I don't got to click wrap cells and put some borders on stuff. Lessons today, there's a lot of people smarter than me, and I think the AI in some ways is smarter than me, and then in some ways is dumber than me. Refer back to the one of the ones I updated was working principles, and I told it, like, if I ask you to put something in the wrong place, then don't let me put it in the wrong place. Say, dude, this belongs someplace else. And it's funny to chat with it because it's like, oh yeah, I should have said that. It's so funny. It's like a little kid. I don't know if anyone's watched Supernatural, but it's kind of like Jack, where he's got these crazy big powers, but he's still kind of a 2-year-old. What else in there? I got 2 beers as a good mix for productivity and fun, maybe not for making such great videos. Anyway, what's up for tomorrow? Close the bomb, the bill of materials. I think we got everything done on there. Like I said, I didn't read what the AI told me yet. And then verify next steps. There's a process list in there. We got to make sure that all those steps are right. One of the lists in there is what I'm learning is called a rate sheet. So it's kind of how much do you charge for different types of work: admin, permitting, welding, metal fabrication, structural woodworking, rough woodworking, fine woodworking. All these different things kind of come with different amounts to charge. Right now, it's always me doing it, but eventually we'll be hiring people. Although all the admin stuff should be an AI subscription, I hope, in the future. Anyway, that's it. Just calling it done. See you tomorrow. Peace.